Hi there, thank you for stopping by. In today's video I share with you on how to design a soccer match poster or flyer using Canva. So, let's get started. Log into your Canva account and click on Instagram post. Alternatively, you can use custom size and enter your preferred dimensions. We now have a canvas to work on. Let's begin designing. We'll start by changing the background. For that, we'll go to Photos on Dashboard and search for Soccer Field to make it our background. Now that we have selected the photo we want to use, let's make this photo a background. To do that, you right-click on your mouse and select the option Set this as a background from the options given. Now let's add a square object on top of this background, just to make it dark a bit. We'll stretch this object until it fully covers the background. We'll then change its color and then reduce its transparency. Now let's add an image with a removed background. I've already uploaded this on my account. Now reduce or increase the image size as needed. Next, let's add some text. Click on Text on the dashboard and select this type of text. We'll replace the text with our own text. Now duplicate each text, place a bit lower than its original text and set it to the back so it appears as 3D. Replace the process with the other text. Our title is done, let's move on to adding other content. Add some text and fill in accordingly. Go to Elements and search for Circle. We'll add that and apply some text on top of it. This is just to spice our design up. Now search for Square in Elements. We'll reduce this and make it a line to separate our text. As we move along, we also changing font color and object color where needed. Now we are adding more details regarding this soccer match. We'll add day, time as well as where the match will take place. reducing and increasing the font size where needed. And just like that, we are done. This takes us to the end of today's tutorial. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to the channel.